the Mardi Gras spirit. They've got a can